Most people think gardening starts when you plant seeds, but the real work of a healthy garden actually starts long before that, right here in the soil. Underneath these cover crops is a living ecosystem. It's preparing this garden for the entire growing season. Soil isn't just dirt. Dirt is dead. Soil is alive. You can see the root systems. A single teaspoon of healthy soil can contain billions of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, worms, and microbes that work together to feed plants naturally. Just a teaspoon. These plants growing here, they aren't weeds, they're cover crops. They protect the soil, keep it from drying out, and they feed the soil microbes through their roots. When plants grow, they release sugars through their roots. These sugars feed the microbes in the soil, and those microbes return nutrients back to the plant. It's a partnership that's been happening in nature forever. Most gardens struggle because the soil underneath has been stripped of life. When soil sits bare, it dries out, microbes die off, and weeds rush in to cover the ground again. That's nature's way of trying to heal itself. And that's why regenerative gardening focuses on the soil. Healthy soil follows a few simple patterns we see in nature. First of all, keep the soil cover crops in the winter, plants in the summer. Nature almost never leaves soil exposed. Second of all, keep living roots in the ground. Living roots feed the soil ecosystem continuously. And third of all, grow plants in communities instead of isolation. Just like the forest and like the meadows and across the entire garden here. That's why I plant in guilds and companion plants later in the season. And then those guilds are actually part of a bigger picture. We're not just planting a garden, we are planting an ecosystem. And when that ecosystem is alive and flourishing, we don't have to work so hard because nature is doing it itself, just like it's supposed to be. Right now, these beds might look empty to some people, but underneath the surface, the real work of the garden is already happening. When this soil is healthy, everything we plant later, tomatoes, carrots, peppers, will all grow stronger. Soil forms incredibly slowly. In many places, it takes hundreds of years to create just 1 inch of healthy topsoil. But when we work with it, nature instead of against it, soil can begin to regenerate. And when the soil becomes healthy, the entire garden changes. That's really what regenerative gardening is about. It's not about forcing plants to grow. It's about restoring the living system underneath of them. And when we take care of the soil takes care of everything else, including us. If you want to learn the basic principles of regenerative gardening and soil health, I put together a simple beginner guide that explains how this system works. You can download it in the link below. Remember to subscribe so you can start restoring your own Eden.